Tonight, a consumer watchdog is urging a Minnesota company to cut the chemicals in its foods. Consumer Reports says it found plastic chemicals in every food product it tested at very high levels, including meals sold by General Mills. WCCO's Alan Henry explains where the reported contamination comes from.
Consumers should be very concerned, but they shouldn't panic.
After testing dozens of supermarket products, Consumer Reports found plastic chemicals known as phthalates in nearly all of them.
As food goes through the production processes, there's different points where they run into kind of plastic equipment as they're processed. So there's that potential for the plastics to leach into food that way.
Even more concerning, the impact those chemicals can have.
There's growing research that these plasticizers are endocrine disruptors, and that means that they can interfere with the production and regulation of estrogen and hormones.
One such study came from the U of M in 2018. It measured phthalate levels in expectant mothers and found their children with higher exposures had a 20 to 40% increased risk of language delay, a problem seen twice as often in boys. The chemicals have also been linked to diabetes, heart disease, and cancer.
These problems develop slowly and sometimes over decades, so that makes it difficult for researchers and regulators, the FDA, to really prioritize them.
In a statement, a spokesperson for General Mills said, quote, "Food safety is our top priority at General Mills. All our products adhere to regulatory requirements, and we review our ingredients, packaging, and suppliers on a regular basis to ensure quality."
It's very misleading to say regulatory requirements are being met because they virtually don't exist, or the ones that do are so weak.
Alan Henry, WCCO News.
Because those chemicals are so widespread, Consumer Reports says there is little shoppers can do unless the companies or government take action. They recommend storing leftovers in glass containers and using steel, silicone, or wood tools in your kitchen.